What's up, everyone? Gerald here with Blades and Beat. Welcome back. A while back I did an episode where I showed you some of my more classier gentleman's knives, office-friendly knives, knives that you can bring out without scaring off a bunch of people. Today I want to show you some of the lesser-known gentleman's knives that have a little touch of class and elegance. Yes, I said that about a knife. They're definitely the type of knives that shows craftsmanship. The type of knives that you want to show off to other people, and other people will most likely admire it. And the nice thing about it, each one of the knives that I'm about to show you, the most expensive one is only about $75. Let's see what kind of knives that we have today. If you guys are looking for some really unique and original, all custom designed tees, anything from your fishing, patriotic, Christian-based, and just funny t-shirts. T-shirts like this, all designed by me or my wife. Come check it out at lumenpath.net. And thank you very much, guys, for all your support. Well, let's start things off with probably my oldest one to my newest one. The first one, I know for sure I'm going to butcher the hell out of that name, but it is made by Claude Dozorn by Letier. Yeah, I butchered it, but this knife was actually given to me by my wife. I think she gave it to me around 2012 for Christmas. It is an absolutely beautiful knife. This one is made from France, and the main thing I like about it is very simple, classy, elegant, very thin, very slim. You can use it as a money clip. Now, the type of wood that this has, Velarnia wood, I guess. But one thing for sure, it is definitely a knife that you can carry with you at the office or to a dinner party, even if you're wearing a suit and tie or just going out in your jeans. It is a two-headed knife. Look at that, folks. That is just a beautiful, beautiful knife. Very well made. And it just screams out class. This, of course, is made for your lighter use. You can do some food preparation, or it's more of a precision type tool that you don't want to abuse. But it is definitely a knife that you will love to show off and showcase. The price range on this was about $65, and again, I do like the simplicity of it. It has a minimalist look and feel. This one, I can't really find too much information about it. I did pick this up probably around 2013 or 2014, I'm not sure, but this one, look at it, folks. It is classy, elegant. In fact, that is the name of this knife. This is the Boker Elegance. This particular model, it have your carbon fiber on it. There's other models that have your G10 handle, but I do like the pattern on that carbon fiber. Very lightweight and slim too. The main thing about it is that this liners that you see inside here is actually titanium. That's why it's so lightweight, and it's one of the few Boker knives that actually have your button lock. Comes with your thumb stud. This one has more of your drop point with a swedge. This one has 440C stainless steel on it. I absolutely love it. I mean, the fit and finish is pretty good on it. There's no rough spots. There's no hot spots. It fits right there in the palm of your hand. I wish they have a little bit of a jimping up right here, but again, it's not made for heavy use. This one has been discontinued for a while, but it's still out there, and at that time, the price range on this was about $60 to $70. Now the next knife, and most people I know wouldn't consider this brand as a gentleman's knife, but it is the brand that's been around for well over 130 years. It is the brand name that most likely your grandpa, your great grandpa uses. It is Case. This is your Case, and this particular model is your Trapper Lock. It is just an absolutely beautiful knife. Look at that. It just feels like it's quality. There's great craftsmanship in each one of the Case knives. Got your high polished nickel bolsters on it. Have your green acrylic marble handles. You got your brass fittings right here and your brass pins. And the main thing I like about this, unlike your typical Case knife, is that it does have that traditional look, but it also has that modern flair. And the price range on this, at the time I picked it up at eBay, it wasn't too bad. I picked it up for only about $70 on this. This one is made by Glenn Clacker. Clacker knives, they have a wide variety of very innovative knives. In fact, they collaborated for a while with CRKT, where they made like the graphite. This is the Mini Cordova, and look at it, folks. All steel handles. I love the accents on it. You have your brass fittings, and I absolutely just love that unique design. Of course, you have your slim deep carry pocket clip, and this is a lockback knife, but unlike your typical lockback knife, this one is actually built into this. This is actually integrated to part of the main frame itself. So this is your lock, which is actually part of the handle as well, and that's what makes it so unique and so different. This one, you do need to flick it out with your wrist. It is a little bit stiff on the action, but look at that, folks. That is just a nice looking knife. It is definitely the type of knife that your friends and co-workers will definitely admire. The price range on this, it wasn't too bad. It's about the same price as the rest of them. Now it does comes with your Sandvik steel. Now this does comes with your Sandvik steel. And main thing I like about the Sandvik steel, it is a good quality mid-range budget steel. It does hold an edge very well. It is resistant to corrosion. Now the only thing I don't like about this particular design, especially this flipper tab right here, is that especially when you're using it, notice how this will dig right into your hands or your finger, and so it makes it a little bit uncomfortable. But overall, I do love this knife. The price range on it, only about $65. We have this guy right here, another Boker knife. This is part of the Boker Quaken series, and this is actually the Mini Quaken. I found the Mini Quaken is suitable more to my needs. This one is only about 7 inches long, has your G10 handle. Now again, with this Quaken, there is a lot of different variety that you can choose from. Anything from different handles, different handle types, different blade materials. They do have quite a few options for you to choose. This is one I have. This one does comes with your Japanese VG10 steel on it. Another good quality mid-grade budget steel. And one thing about Lucas Burnley, he specializes a lot of his designs to have more of that Japanese influence. That's why a lot of his knives look more like a Japanese knife. Beautiful knife, absolutely elegant, pretty good fit and finish on it. And this one does comes with your IKBS ball bearings. So, but this is the Mini Quaken, the Boker Plus Mini Quaken. And the price range on this one is actually a little bit more than the others that you see here. This one runs about $75. Anyway, guys, by the way, this is probably one of the last videos that you'll see me doing. I'll be taking off tomorrow. I'll be heading out to Reno. I'll be there for about 2 weeks. So if anything else, I'll see you in about 2 weeks. And if you guys like this video, please smash that like and consider subscribing, folks, for some more knives, fishing, and kit videos. You guys take care. I'll see you in about 2 weeks. Talk to you later.